Hello everyone, my name is Tim Trivis. Today I will talk about amazing bird. The first one is goat. The goat can live 10 15 out in history. Then the crows live in the eastern right valleys, which is part of the present day region throughout Montana and into North Dakota, where it choose the Missouri River. Since the 9th century, close people have been controlled on the rivers as a result of building Montana. The second one is ceremony. Ceremony is a of the that can be easier to reverse because it lives ever close North America, but it has been to Australia and New Zealand somewhere. Unlike many other birds, cannot be found in and desert and summer live can live to 30 old. The third one is our outfall many habitat zones as desert forests and even artists they live in the in trees in house in many other bird Michigan to one place during the winter much our do not they live in same base years road. The fourth one is lovebird and lovebird can live in 18 months old. Destroy a dead bird as he and his father. The boy this is love when she has just had the call about. The last one is drops. When the drops with normal life is said to live 15 years and there are many which I heard of one drop that lived with a woman in the picture of the bird just before she died at 30 years. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.